everybody. Welcome back to the next week of School Online. We have technically finished ancient Greece, but if you did not finish the assignment or if you had any questions or comments about stuff that we've already done in ancient Greece, please let me know before you move on into ancient Rome. For those of you that shared your Greek review assignment with me through SharePoint or through your vPortal PowerPoint, I need you guys to message me about the Greek review assignment. We had a few technical difficulties with that if you sent it through vPortal or through SharePoint, where when you put it in the assignment box, it didn't really load, and all that's coming through is a blank page. So if you did submit it that way, or if you don't see a grade, or if I message you, please get back with me and we'll go over that before we really get into ancient Rome. So, this week we are starting on the Roman Empire. But before we get into that, we need to know about the beginning of Rome. And so we understand the beginnings of Rome, we need to start with its geography. So, this week for your assignment, instead of doing necessarily questions, I have 4 riddles to start with. This is not it. This is to start with. We have larger than a lake or pond, but smaller than the oceans. I surround fair Italy as the largest and closest body of water. What is my name? Your next one is the tip of Italy points straight to me. Even though I am a small island, 6 letters long is my name. Now tell me, who am I? Your third is one at the north border of Rome and one running down the center, 2 mountain ranges that both start with A. Tell us, what names do we have? And the last one is 4 of us run along through Italy, all strong and fast and free. Rome stays close to the one that starts with T. Can you write my full name out for me? Now, to answer these, I have 2 articles for you guys. You're going to start here. This is an article on the geography of Italy. There is more information on this page. This also tells you a little bit about modern Italy's government and modern Italy's population and flag and stuff like that. But the part we're really focusing on is this geography. You have 2 maps that you can take a look at that will help you answer these questions. You have information about Italy that will help you answer these questions. The second article is a National Geographic article about Italy. And in here, you have 7 pictures of stuff in Italy and from ancient Rome. I would like you to go through those. And down here, you have information, some fast facts about the geography and maps and other information about how this affected life in Rome. So, those 4 riddles will be due Wednesday. You are using these 2 articles to answer all 4 of them. After you have finished that, so starting Wednesday, you are going to be doing a few more riddles, like 2 more, based on this article. And this tells us about the beginnings of Rome. How did Rome really get started? What came right before the Roman people really started to grow their empire? So we're going to take a look at this article about the Etruscans. So you're going to read that, answer like 2 more riddles, maybe a few more, but probably about 2. And after we finish that, we have just a couple more that we're going to go over. And those are going to be based on the very beginning of Rome, the myth of Romulus and Remus. It may be a myth, it may not be a myth. We don't really know. A lot of people think it's a myth, though it probably is. We don't really have any solid proof that this happened, but this is the story that was told about how Rome was started. So you're going to read this and answer some riddles on that. And then you're going to watch this video. It is Roman social and political structures. The part you are really going to be focusing on is this right here, the patricians and the plebeians. So you're going to be learning about that. And that will be everything for this week. All of this, I'm going to extend it even a little bit further. All of it, except for geography, will be due Sunday. The geography riddles are due Wednesday. They must be turned in by Wednesday night. All the rest of it will be due Sunday night. Now, if there is something confusing you or something is just kind of weird and it's not working well for you, please let me know early so that I can get on and help you out with that or explain something for you. Zoom sessions. I met with quite a few of you last week. I didn't see as many people as I necessarily wanted to. If I have asked you to meet with me over some of the assignments that we went over last week, please go ahead and schedule a Zoom session. If you need to go over stuff, or if you haven't seen me in a while, or if you haven't seen me at all, please go ahead and see if you can schedule a Zoom session so that we can go over some stuff and I can check in with you guys and see how everything is going. I think that's everything for this week. We had the Escape from Greece assignment. That was our bonus assignment from last week. That is not due until this Saturday. If you do not have time to do this, or if you are just completely confused, if you're completely confused, please let me know and I will go over it with you. Some of you have already gotten a hold of me and we've gone over some of those questions. But if you're just now going over it and you get to the end and you have no idea what you're doing, please go ahead and get a hold of me. If you are just completely busy with these assignments, finish these first. That is a bonus. Okay. I will probably have one more bonus assignment at the end of the week after we have finished all of our riddles. It's not going to be very long this week, though. And I think that's everything for the week. If you guys need me, please let me know. If you do not think you are going to get this assignment done on time, you need to talk to me early so that we can figure out what we need to do and what the problem is. I don't want you to get to Saturday night and send me a message like, I don't know if I'm going to finish this. I don't think that's going to work too well. So if you're having problems with something, please let me know early. That way we don't get to the very end of the week and then we're working on it. I hope you guys have a great week. If you need anything, just let me know. If you've had something interesting or exciting or weird or whatever, go ahead and let me know that too. I kind of miss you guys and I want to see how you all are doing. So just let me know with anything. I hope you guys have a really great week. Good luck with this. Bye for now.